This little cat ate so fast that she would finish her own meal and immediately start stealing the bigger cat's food too. The owner first tried a tall bowl, but the determined little thief still found a way to reach it. Then he added a metal barrier around the food, yet she simply climbed right over it. As a last resort, the owner placed her inside a clear box during mealtime. She tried every trick she could think of to escape, but this time she couldn't. And for the first time ever, the bigger cat got to enjoy his dinner in peace. And if this make you smile, leave a like.